Alright guys, welcome back. We got a pretty darn exciting one today. I can't show you the outside of this truck quite yet, but I'm going to tell you what it is, and if you're not drooling by the time this video is over, you will be when I show you a picture of it on Monday or Tuesday. This is a factory K30, or actually a K30 500, 1-ton factory big block fuel injected 1987 regular cab long bed pickup. I've got to look at my paperwork, but I do believe I might have been told this was a one-owner truck. But we've had so many coming in. Matter of fact, I think I got 6 more that you guys haven't even seen yet that are getting ready to post. Of all shapes, sizes, and colors. Got a couple really colorful ones coming. But back to this one. I don't want to show you the outside. My stripe guy was hoping would come in today. He's not coming back in until Monday. But I pulled the moldings off, and I don't want you guys to see an unfinished product. But we're riding right now. It is 100 degrees. I just took my temperature gun and hit the concrete. It's 140 degrees on the pavement right now. And we've got some pretty cool AC. About a 20-degree split, and we've been sitting here letting it idle because I actually just sold a Caprice Classic station wagon, believe it or not. Actually, I didn't. My sales guy Mike did. To a guy that was thrilled to death. He wanted it because he rode in a station wagon when he was a kid, facing backwards, and it brought back memories. So this was down to like 65 to 70 degrees. It's blowing some pretty cold AC, but it was idling for 15 minutes waiting on me. It did not overheat, so pretty darn good truck. This truck, kind of like the last couple, we're very undecided, guys, on what we're going to do. Throw out your ideas. Completely stock currently. Now, of course, completely stock on a 1-ton, it's already pretty tall. It'll clear about a 33-inch tire. I think it's got a 32 on it with a aftermarket modular wheel. I have a set of dog dish hubcap steel wheels. I've got some bias ply tires. I've got a lot of things that this truck could have put on it. Radio works. Factory radio, not a replica radio. The original radio. Both tanks work, and the truck runs on both tanks. Dash. A few cracks, but a factory dash. Big block 7.4, 454, fuel injected motor. Inside's a little strange. It's got the factory headliner, which is intact, nice. But it's got this little package tray. These were really popular for people putting like a CB up here, putting all their old notes and crap up here. It's not bad for me. I'm 5'10" or so. It's not in my way. I've seen them before where they're really low and they're in your way. But that's kind of an old school thing, so we left it. The visors are still here and they're proper. Got all the tags and stickers and decals. 4x4, floor shifter 4x4, of course, that's the only option you had. The seat's kind of like gray and blue. This truck is a white with a gray two-tone on the bottom. It's going to have brand new moldings and brand new fender trim. It's going to look really good when it's finished up there. The only other thing that I'm undecided on is it's a factory setup under the hood. Manifolds with the smog tubes and everything, and they're starting to leak a little bit around the smog tubes. So it really should probably have a set of headers and an exhaust system put on it, but I hate to take it away from the factory proper situation. So we're kind of in discussions on what to do there. But if you're interested in this truck, it will be for sale. It's probably going to be around 30 to 32 currently, the way it sits. The more we spend, the price will go up. But if you'd like a nice original stock, you can look through the back there. Spray-in bedliner, fifth wheel and gooseneck provisions. 110,000 miles according to paperwork. Of course, the dash only shows 10, but it does show to be 110 according to paperwork. I would say by the time the molding's on it, the truck is detailed, we change the oil, we do an inspection, probably gonna be around 35. So again, step in now, get it before we do, after we do. You know the routine, guys. This platform has been really good for allowing you guys to pick the truck you really want. We do get a little ahead of ourselves. I like selling a completed finished truck. If it was me, this truck would be on 12 inches and 40s, but that's not for everybody. So we want to let y'all be part of the decisions on these. And again, I would sneak a picture, but I just want you to see it and be wow when it's finished, because it's going to be a wow when it's finished type of truck. It really is. Gauge is working. Everything's working. AC's working, and we did not touch the AC, so the factory AC is working properly on this truck when we received it. The undercarriage is very solid, and this is a Washington State truck, so very rust-free truck. I know you guys like our West Coast trucks. This was a Washington State truck. Just had to get on the brakes pretty hard. Does not even pull. Steering wheel straight. It's a Friday afternoon, so people don't drive real good right now. So really shocked the wheel didn't shoot out of my hand or something crazy, but it did fine. And I don't know how much you can pick up in here in the mic here, but you can probably hear just a little ticking under the hood of the exhaust. You might not hear it on that, but that's what we're referring to as that it needs the exhaust. So either somebody can go back factory correct, some people weld those up. We would like to take them off and put headers and nice custom exhaust, but you still have some things you got to deal with because it is fuel injected. Choice is going to be yours. We're going to pull in here real quick and I'm going to show you guys, no exaggeration, how hot it is outside. It's crazy hot here in Virginia. I believe my palm trees are going to enjoy it, but my employees don't. My cleanup guy doesn't. Our grass does not. I don't think anything really does, so we'll jump out real quick. Don't turn the video off, Christian, that way you don't have to stitch it. We got one to pick up here at our service shop anyway. But walk that way so that you don't sneak a picture of the truck. Hold on, I'll come around that side. Stay there. So, you might not have seen it before, but the door panels are in good shape. This is all factory. It's got the factory carpet, which is a whole lot more fluffy, I guess you would call it. I think the seat's been redone, but I can't really tell. But a little sag here. That's not too bad. Get the truck in the video? Oh, okay, good. There we go. Oh crap, did the battery die? There you go. It's hot, guys. It's real freaking hot. Look at this black vehicle. It's hot. It's super hot. So, thanks guys. Don't go that way. Go that way. That's our stuff in the background too. Rollbacks, tow trucks, flatbeds, vans, buses. Christian really likes those buses. He was thinking about making like a daycare school or something in them. He was pretty thrilled the other day when he was taking pictures of those. But if you need a car trailer, we've got 3 multi-car trailers, 5 or 6 more rollbacks in, 6 more square bodies coming. God knows what else. We know you guys love the square body content, but that's just one little piece of our business. So please make sure if you've got somebody that needs a commercial truck, a tow truck, a bucket truck, a box truck, a luxury car, a classic car, let us know. I mean, again, that's our big part of our business. So we don't want to miss out on that. We put all our spotlight on these square bodies, but in reality, they're just a little bitty portion of our business. But we love them. So thanks again, guys. Appreciate your support.